Hmm. Yeah, that's the short though.
Hard to take though.
That is not. A little bit of action first thing, a little bit of action later on, and that was about it today, huh?
That's about the key. That's it.
Would you maybe entertain an MGC short up here? I mean, that's where it came from this morning, so
Just doesn't look. Yeah, I mean, you are right about
it,
that.
it is where it came from. I mean, if it sets up right, I'd take a risk on the MGC.
All right, we could try that. Let me set
If
up
it
my
sets up, let's just see
MGC.
if it sets up right. We got a few more. It needs to go up a few more ticks anyway, so we'll see. Anybody else back? Sorry, we took an extended. I'm not sorry. We took an extended break. We had to. Things to do. We got lives to live.
No, it's the way it works in this channel. We come and go. Just hang out.
All right.
I got. I put a micro on.
Good.
I'm just gonna hold it on NQ for target up there. Just see what happens. Just one micro. Got a big stop on it,
One micro.
but could be pretty decent. I got a big target though.
All right. You're gonna get me on that train with you, I guess.
I mean, don't take it because of me, because the problem is you're gonna have to hold this, and I know you got to
I,
leave,
I'm
so
gonna do. I switched. I switched to the MQ. I'm letting it load, and I'm gonna put one on with you.
you're gonna have to hold this though, because my target's
Well, now I think I
way
can
the
start
hell
with
up there.
stopping it. Look, think about it like this: if it breaks this wick here, that's a short anyway. So,
You talking about GC?
oh, M and Q.
Oh, MEQ?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
you could. I
like,
would
you
wait.
could do the long, like
Are we
I put
getting
like
the?
a.
You might be getting a GC short though.
I know. Oh, there is a. There it is too.
Hmm.
I just wanted that to be a little bit higher, man. Oh, my M and Q chart's not loading. That's poopy. Guess I'm not gonna be in this trade with you. But again, the trade is actually below this wick on the short side.
It is absolutely, and I could be dead wrong on this. So
Well,
don't
I mean it's
follow
a
me.
micro, so I might
It's one
I'll take the trade. I'll
micro,
take the trade. I'll take the real short in the minis. I'll try to get this
but
long with you in a micro. How about that? If it
it's a
loads,
big. It's a yeah. It's a big stop though.
if it loads. I can put a buy stop in above this high now. Two micros.
So if you're all over,
Oh, it's just two micros.
oh, I
Just
didn't even
two
do that. I just
micros.
got one micro. I
Oh,
just,
I just
but I
used
mean, if it
the
pays out, it's a
yeah.
freaking huge, huge win.
Well, I'll put a buy stop in, so I'm above it. There's the real short coming up down here.
I'm up $50, so I can't.
That
I don't know, maybe not.
maybe this will
Now I'm
turn
down.
into a long on the small tick chart.
That's what I'm saying. I think it'll pull back and hook.
If you get long on the small tick chart, I'd probably entertain that if that looks good too.
Hmm? GC's not setting up.
No. Well, I don't know. There's a bigger M there. I think that would almost guarantee a target. I don't know. I don't know if I can do MGC. Let's see.
MGC, you'd almost have to be in now, literally, like right there. Where's your stop? Like right there. It's 100. Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
big
would have
risk.
like you would have had to been in it, and now it's going back up, and
Mm-hmm.
you'd have to have your target off already. All right. Maybe the long is going to set up on the smaller tick chart. Oh wow. Okay, maybe we are. Never mind. Forget the M and Q long. I'll take the NQ long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, NQ's along on the smaller chart. Like I said, it's like don't follow me. It's just something I think it's going to get to, but it may not get there. And GC is just wicking up, doing nothing. So I think I figured out why. I was doing some
Nice.
research this weekend on why my tick charts are different than yours. It's because I'm logging in through Tradeovate data instead of Rhythmic.
I was gonna say
And
it's probably a
Tradeovate,
different data feed.
it is. They don't have true tick. They do some sort of calculation. It's like an average or something. I don't remember exactly how it is, but it's enough to. I mean, you'll get a true feel of what it'll do, but
Okay,
it won't
target
be
off
like.
on MGC.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it broke.
MGC. Let's see.
GC for the win.
MGC. Let's see if I put this on that. Oh, oh, it's not. Let me just pull this chart over. MGC for the win. Big win on MGC.
Yeah, you might want to move that
TD.
out of the way.
What's that? The
You
target?
might want to move that target out of the
I'm
way
trying
and
to figure
just
out where the
trail
target
it
needs to
because
be. I mean, this would be like the
probably,
first
yeah,
target
that's
you'd
not,
want
that's
right
right. There's
here.
the first target. Yeah, but
So I'm just
you
gonna
can just
squeeze
trail
that
your
down.
stop. Yeah, just
Yeah,
trail your
because it looks
stop
like
down because
this
it
is
could
pretty
break that.
linear. I'm gonna go a little bit further down on the stop, back behind that last little pull down there. I mean, if this keeps going, I'll be fine with it. I'm happy with it. I can look
I'm
at
telling you,
this.
man, that's the thing about GC. It only takes one trade, and that runs just a little bit, and it's over.
Here, GC or
If this
yeah,
thing, if this thing,
MGC.
yeah, GC, if this thing could break,
Boom. That's a little short there on MGC. Uh, let's see. I mean, you got this target we're at now, and then really the next target's back down here around 88. So like 88 2, 88 2. Oh man, this is a pretty little
could
trade.
be the one.
Pretty, maybe I even go on
Yeah,
down to 78 for it.
you're about to break a trend line
Get
here.
that
So
78. Is it a trend line break on that one? I
yeah,
want to
you're about
squeeze
to.
this stop to
If
about right
and you're
here.
breaking below VWAP, so below VWAP and a trend line.
All right. Well,
So if it can break it here, I'll tell you when you break it, you're right at it. You are literally right at VWAP and
yeah,
that trend line
80. Okay. That was an
on the
83
bigger chart.
target. So I had 82.
I mean, if that thing breaks, you could target
Yeah.
66, 70, 66, all the
Really?
way down to freaking the low of 32 if you really could, if it can
If it
break.
gets all
I
the
mean,
way back down?
it
Ooh,
could.
that'd be
It's
fancy.
right at it though. I mean,
It
there's a
is.
good chance it probably will
That's a good
bounce here,
little
but
level here. Let's go a
it's
couple
got
of
to
ticks
break.
down, and then I'm good on the stop. I'm just going to leave my
Put
stop
it
there and forget it. It's either going to get
put it this
that
way: it's got
or.
to break 95.5 and hold. 95.5 and hold, and then you're home free. Here it comes. Here it comes. You're getting a hook of stochastics on the big chart too, so you might be in the trade here. My NQ is
Okay.
working out. Come on, GC break. Freaking trying. Here it goes. Tick strikes lit up red, so that's good for you. Oh, I think you got it. It's going to hold. Did you get out?
Oh, sorry. I had my mute on. Yeah, it stopped me out.
Okay. Oh, that's going to hold. Looks like it's going to hold that trend line.
Yeah, I could let my stop a little looser, but whatever. It was a good win.
Yeah, it's a good win. Do that a couple
Few
times a day. You don't have a problem.
few $100, almost $300
Mm-hmm.
total with target and everything on that. That's not bad.
What I say? I mean, DC right below that 87.9 would be pretty tempting.
All right. Let's see here. You might be right on this breakout long here.
On NQ? I
Yeah,
think
on the
so.
ES.
I think so. I got it.
They, I'm tempted to switch back to the M and Q and put one on long now.
I mean, ES could get up to 23, 23, 24, 77,000,
Yeah,
23,
no,
24.
23 or 24. Yeah.
Right. Could get up there, and ES and NQ can get all the way
Well,
up to, well, shoot, it could get all the way up to 26,
this
105.
was this was like the natural resistance area from when the first time price got here for all time highs on the ES. So you'd think that this would be the case. And then, but also I do think that there's somebody out there accumulating some short contracts up here
Yeah,
because it
you're
keeps
right
just
about that.
blasting down. So that's the
Yeah, that's
only
that, I mean,
concern.
that's why I'm saying don't follow me because it could very
Well, I
well
mean, on
just
the
this
M and
could
Q
be.
though, that's not that big of a deal. I mean,
Well, I mean, some
but
people in
the
here don't.
the accounts I have here, these are my good accounts, so I don't want to take a risky trade. I might do it on the M and Q on a different account though.
I mean, this is on a PA, but it's again, I feel
I
pretty
got
good
all those
about it.
copied earlier, so I'm in good on those. That was my good win was on all my good accounts. So that set me pretty good, and that MGC was as well. So I'm pretty happy with
There's
those
your
accounts.
short.
Yeah, I
Told
wish
you.
I'd stayed in the MGC now.
I told you. I
I
said a
was a
break of that
couple
is a
ticks
good
tight
one.
on the stop. I was a couple ticks tight. If I was looking back, I probably that was a hard one to stay. I mean, maybe used above this. You'd probably stayed just would have been ticked right into where your stop would have been at. Still a good trade though. I'm not that worried about it. Yeah, I'm gonna
I mean,
stay. I'm gonna
geez,
wait for a proper setup. If I don't get one, these two accounts left don't get traded. Oh well, it's not the end of the world. I mean, here, let me look and see where I'm at so far. I mean, it's like a $1,200 morning for me, so I'm not gonna be. I don't think we push that too far, do we?
no,
Day like today, take your $1,200 and call it a
call it
morning.
a day. That's a pretty good day for considering the day it was. It's a great day.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I'm
It's
sitting
been a
here thinking about
crappy,
taking these
crappy
trades and
day.
you putting micros and stuff on. I'm like, nah, you know what? I've had a good day so
Yeah,
far.
that's what I'm saying. Don't follow me.
Yeah, just
Not on this one. This is not.
you're already into it, and you
And
got
I'm
the
already in it,
profit.
and I'm in the green, but so I'm not. And
Yeah,
if this starts going against me, I'll probably just kill it for a small loss. I don't
you
think
got
I'll
some wiggle
play it
room on
out.
it. The ideal situation to come back down to around the R1 here on the ES.
Yeah, that's a setup all day long.
That would be the ideal situation. Um, I'm looking at these charts here, and I'm like, the only one's got some swings on it right now is RTY. That's not a short I wanted. Although when we were on break, or just coming, oh man, that was just coming back from break too. That long right there. That's the same level I was looking at this morning. Two times in a row on that long from that level. Two times. Sure is a lot of trades happening up here. I don't know, let's just see. Anybody back? Anybody hanging out? Anybody being cool? Hanging out, being all cool? No? No b-ball outside of the school? Gunter, what's up, buddy?
Shoot some b-ball outside of the school.
A couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. Got in one little fight. My mom got scared. Said, "You moving me auntie and uncle to Bel Air." Was it last spray said flip fresh and there's douse in the mirror? Something like that.
How you feeling? And I used to know that.
So, there was an. This is dumb. This is so YouTube dumb, too. This is YouTube dumb. Our thumbnail wasn't appropriate. I'm like, it's just a skull and crossbone. What is wrong with you?
Are you serious? That's what
Evidently,
got
that's
it?
it. Because I took the
Wow.
thumbnail off and it worked. Isn't that silly? They don't like our skull and crossbone thumbnail. Um,
Wow.
I'm guessing that's it because that's the only thing I changed and it worked. I like that logo too.
I thought mine was kind of cool.
Huh?
But I thought mine was pretty cool.
The two dudes one?
Yeah.
Oh, your buy and sell button or your.
No, the two guys, the logo.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I like that one too.
Yeah.
Maybe I switch it to that one. Let me figure out which one that one is.
Just the two dudes just
Two dudes sitting there? Yeah.
sitting there.
Watch the charts. Maybe I'll play around with it for a
Watch
second.
the charts. Okay. What am I watching them for? Because if you're not short in the GC or long in the ENQ or yes, I think you're pretty much. This trade's starting to bore me. I may just take the profit.
There's that one. I don't see yours in here. Said it.
I don't remember where it was at now. Hold on.
I like
Think I
this.
might.
I think that's funny. I should use that as thumbnail.
That's kind of cool. Who did
Yeah,
that one?
there's a lot going on there.
Yeah, the only problem is that's busy for a thumbnail.
Yeah.
Let's see if I got the two dudes one. I know I have it somewhere. Yeah, maybe not. I may have just deleted it.
Huh. Oh well.
Just come up with one.
Yeah, I'll get another one.
Tell it to make one.
I will. I'll get another one. I gotta start making some content later this week anyway. When I get settled in, I'll start whipping out some of those little training sessions. There's a couple training sessions that I think Tom requested that I'm gonna do. Um, uh, Got to figure out what that was. That because that I think there's an issue there. Maybe later this afternoon when I'm not busy, we talk about that and figure that one out.
This is very going. Okay. That's a question for Gray, but yeah,
Well,
I don't know. I don't know what that was. Yeah, look at those emails. Holy cow.
I'm gonna check Well, I got about maybe a little bit over 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes before I have to step out for a little bit. Maybe we'll catch something then. Sure does look like they want to try to. Somebody's building position. Let's put it that way. And it's going to go sometime today. You're gonna have a decent long out of this, or a really nice short, one or the other. Um, right?
Yep.
I mean, this is not gonna stay here forever up here. Uh, and that 82 target would have nailed it too on that GC. That would have been a money target if you could have held it.
Yeah.
I had that target twice. No, I had what? No, I had 83 as my
Yeah.
target. I put it at 83 twice, or 83. Or was that? Was it 80? Yeah, I put it at 83. Like 83-1. I had it there twice, and I was like, nah, man, man, dang.
Right.
Trust your targets. Trust your targets. Hey, that target this morning worked pretty well. I was only off by a
Mm-hmm.
couple points.
I mean, I killed 2 trades and didn't hold for my targets, and they would have been great. So this is starting to bug me. This trade. I mean, I might just kill it.
Oh,
Small profit.
you've only been in it for like 6 hours.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't. This is just useless. Yeah. And I'll leave it on. What the hell? It's only $30.
Hey, guys, put your training requests in. Any training requests you guys want, put it in the training request channel.
Also put your P&Ls in the
Yeah,
winning trade section.
put your win. I'm gonna take a screenshot of my next winning trade and start putting those back in.
Here comes that. All right, is this the pullback on NQ?
Poo back, poo back.
Come on down.
RTY setting up a short. Don't know if I want to take that. I'm just having a
Yeah,
hard time pulling the
it's in
trigger on
an
the short.
area.
I'm not gonna do it with that account, that's for sure. Let's uh, let's see here. Is there one I want to do then? Mm.
There goes GC. Holding that trend line, nice. Just broke below it, and I think GC's going down. I think it's going to go down
Yeah,
slowly, but it's
on
going to
his way
go.
there.
The problem is you got to hold through the swings, and that's not something I want to do.
No, no, no. I think the cleanest trade was the one from the top here.
Mm-hmm.
It was definitely the cleanest trade. I, missed my 6E short. It's I really, really, really wanted it back here, but that didn't set up right. That didn't set up right. It finally set up right here. I guess I should have been looking at that. That was actually a decent setup. Wicks, everything we wanted. Yeah, that was one we probably should. That was a miss. I missed that one. Oh well. I was trying to figure out these indexes. I was trying to figure out if I want to put the short in. If I want to try that short below there, below these shelves, if you will, or consolidation areas. All right. Somebody remind me next time to put the on break thing up for the new people.
Boring.
All right. Well, we probably should have just called it at 11 this morning when we took break. And just
Should
maybe
just
just
called
leave
it
it
a
up there.
day.
All right, we're done.
Call that the day.
Well, we
I
missed
mean,
one trade that on break. That was it. We missed one trade that I can see. Even looking back on the smaller tick chart to see what time was that. That was like 11:40. One wick. There's probably two trades there. That was at like 11:06. Let's take a look at that. 11:06. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, maybe we missed two trades. One. I don't think I could have taken. Could have done this on the small tick chart. Could have done that trade. That was a little bit. I don't do those V bottoms very well, but the 11:06 set up
yeah,
really nice. Nice little W pattern.
yeah, that's a good one right there.
That I'll trade all day long. All right, so we had one miss. That was it, and it was while we were on break, so I feel pretty good about that. Let's see. This is how that one set up. What time was that? It was probably the same time, 11:49. A little better setup on at the 11:40, 11:51 on the NQ here. The inverse head and shoulders. I like that on the NQ. But you know I like that too. That tends to be a pretty well-paying trade when you get that inverse head and shoulders. And then you had that 11. Actually set up better. 11. This one set up better on the NQ than the ES did. Still,
Hmm.
not a bad setup there. Okay. All right. Well, that's the one trade. That 11:06 trade was probably the one that got away. She was
The
the one that
big
got
one.
away. She was the one that got away. Oh.
Oh boy. And you say boring?
That's what I've been thinking about. What I just sent you.
With this?
They should.
Oh,
They should. I don't see why there would be any kind of
let's
issue
see.
with it.
Oh, I mean, I can't imagine
I
they
can't
wouldn't.
either. I just, it's one of those things where you're just like, I've never had to deal with this, so I don't know. You're like, is it gonna work? Is it not gonna work? Okay, I got some kind of weird like screens acting funny. Like phantom touches on it or something. Get some liquid on it. Fancy brand new screen. All right. Well, while we're sitting here doing nothing, I'll be back in just a minute. I'm gonna excuse myself for a second. Like I'm gonna pull a Steve Martin. May I be excused while I
Oh,
go to the restroom? Sure, absolutely.
thank you.
Ah,
Ah,
thank
thank
you.
you.
Why is the cork on the floor?
That is such a great movie, Dirty Rotten Scoundrels.
Right. All right, I'll be right back.
Uh, thank you. Oh, there's absolutely nothing to do here. I don't even know why we're still open. Has anybody traded anything? Anybody in a trade? Is anybody even here? Anybody listening? It's just Brian and I. Gunter, you here still? Gunter, you back in the States or are you still out? Yes. Texas. Back in Texas. Did you guys get any cold weather down there?
Good old Beaumont, Texas. Beaumont.
17 degrees Fahrenheit last Sunday. Okay. That's
Oh,
that's
I thought we
good.
were talking to. I thought you were. I
We
thought
woke
you
up
were.
to 6.
How far is Gunter from Nick?
I don't know.
What part of Texas are you in? I forgot about that.
Yeah.
San Antonio. Oh
Further
yeah.
south. You need to go
Yeah.
yeah, you need to
Nick
go
Nick's down in
down to
Beaumont, so
Stretch. Go visit Stretch.
yeah. Well,
San Antonio. Well, you're
get
pretty south.
that's pretty. Yeah, that's down there.
Much more south you could be in the water. Go down there with Stretch and
San
Hugo.
Antonio.
Go down there with Stretch and
San
Hugo.
Antonio. Oh, the Yucatan. Yeah, he's got it nice down
Hmm.
there.
This is ridiculous. Should we just wrap it up? I mean,
Um, maybe. I mean, I've got a
what time are you planning on leaving?
right around 1ish, maybe 1:15.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we can hang out another 30 minutes.
Yeah.
It's not gonna kill us. Just sit here and do nothing for 30 minutes. Here, I'm gonna take a quick break. I'll be right back.
Yep. Yep, sir. GC settled into a whole lot of nada. Didn't get. Let's do my personal review here. That's my one CL short. Didn't get that. Or the long I wanted on CL. Missed both those trades this morning. The RTY one is one that's really getting me. That one was one I wanted this morning. That's about it. Looking back. It's gonna be an interesting evening though. So wait till Paul gets back for this one. This should be interesting. I mean, if we get up here and stay up here the rest of the day, there might be some afternoon shorting opportunity. Something on this kind of wick, or tomorrow, or tonight maybe. Too bad I'm not gonna be able to trade tonight. I might be able to. Might be tempted to look at the short the longer this stays here. This is looking like it wants to. I mean, there's going to be a break. It's called a breakout. I mean, we're at the top that daily range. Really kind of the same thing here on the ES. A little cleaner on the NQ for that range on a daily basis, but I mean that's they've been selling pretty dramatically from these tops every time. So we'll see if this one actually fills the bill. I I'm gonna actually think about this. I'm starting to get sold. I'm gonna have to leave though. This is gonna be a trade. This is gonna be a trade.
What on the
This
yes?
short's gonna be on both the NQ, ES,
What
RTY.
breaks of the
That's
breaks
gonna be
of
a
those
trade.
lows?
That's gonna be a trade, and it's gonna happen when I can't be here for it. But that's gonna be a trade. That's definitely going to be a trade. I'm just not gonna be here
Where?
for it. Hopefully somebody will catch that one because that's gonna be a good one. It's either gonna be a great short or you take the long out of here and get the great long. But it's going to be a trade, a nice trade too. There's plenty of room both sides. Especially I was looking at NQ daily and NQ daily. If it breaks up, there's room. There's room to go. Yeah, same thing. If it breaks up, you don't have as much room above this on the ES, but there's room. The more the most rooms on the downside, and you go back to those days
428.
where it's come up. I mean, we've had some pretty shoot. Not, what are you doing, mouse? Mousy. I mean, like these sell-offs after these consolidations have been pretty darn aggressive. We had one like even from up here it moved down. This one pretty aggressive sell-offs, and then a couple weeks ago after they got up that remember we minted money on that day, right? That was
Mm-hmm.
the fourth out almost a oh that was a $6,000 day right there for me. So pretty aggressive selling after these highs. The gaps down are just happening. I mean, I'm not saying that they're accumulating a ton of short contracts, but man, it sure does look like it, doesn't it? Those aggressive sell-offs, or the aggressive
Looks
sell-offs, or
like
get
it
down
wants
lower to
to.
get more contracts on the long side. Here's your breakout on the long on the ES, so maybe it's the long. I don't care which way it is. Don't know if I can take that long though.
Yeah.
That is it though. There's your breakout on the long side, and that would break the. No, that's not quite going to break the level you had on the NQ. What'd you say earlier? 950 to 990.
Yep.
Okay.
950
Well,
to 990. Yeah, that's what I said earlier.
you'll be at your bottom of your. Um,
There's your
yeah, I
breakout.
mean
I should
a
have. I should have
breakout
held
up
that
here,
stupid micro.
a breakout up here definitely gets you all the way up to that 26,000 level. It gets you 26,000 pretty easy on a breakout here. Oof. All right, maybe your micro idea was the way to go. Oh well. Again, if I miss it, it's
It was
okay. Not the end
painful
of the
though.
world. Not the end of the world. Well, oh, it's tempting to put that long on.
Put that buy on.
Yeah, NQ's probably gonna try to follow the ES now, isn't it?
No.
Well, like I said, you definitely have room up there.
Yeah. Definitely should. I'm master killing trades today. Killed that trade. Now it's working out nicely.
Yeah, yeah. There you go. I should have dumped into M&Q with that one. Oh well, not a big deal. I mean, I don't like playing that shoulda, woulda, coulda game.
If it's going to run, you're going to get a little pullback here. So if you're thinking this thing's going to break out and run, then you could just, when it
I
comes
don't think
back
there's
down to that
anything that's gonna
breakout.
run. I think it
All
might
right. And
walk.
then,
It might
because I'll say
walk.
you could jump back in it when it comes back down, but I just,
Yeah, the problem with that
why?
trade is I'm not gonna have time to manage it. I'm gonna have to leave
That's
it.
what I'm saying. It's like, why?
Like
Just
I would
forget
want,
it.
yeah, I would need the trade. I would need the trade to be like
Why bother?
happen here in the next 4 or 5 minutes, or I gotta might as well just skip on this and call it a day. I can be back later though.
What time?
If you want to look late afternoon, maybe like 2:15.
Yeah, let's do that. I'll take a extended break and everybody will come back.
Came back from great break, got the nice little MGC short, and that's about it, huh?
Pretty much.
Well, if the market would tell us when it wants to make its swings, we could take our breaks at better times. Madam Markets, just tell us when you're going to take swings, and
Tell us.
we'll change our
Tell us.
break times.
Tell us.
Huh? Short?
There's nothing going on right here. I can't take this thing short. No way.
Mm-mm.
I am not short in this market. That's not happening.
Oh, if it's
No
set up
way.
right, I would do it. I'm not taking this setup
No.
because you'd pretty much be guaranteed targets if it runs. Probably not.
I still think my micro idea is a good thing. I think
It
it's
is a
going to
good
get
idea.
up
I
there. It's
just don't
going to
have time.
creep up there.
If I can't make it back for the afternoon because something changes, then I can't manage that trade. I mean, I'd have to just put a static stop and target in, and I don't think I want to do that.
Nah, nah.
I mean, I might think about entertaining. I really would think about entertaining a short if it's set up right, but it's not going to set up right. This is going to push back down and maybe give a long signal here on the smaller tick chart, but which would be fine. I'd be okay with a clean long signal on the smaller tick chart, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, if it comes back,
Comes back down to this little consolidation
mm, I mean,
around like
it's not.
what 11,
This isn't much of a pullback here, but yeah, it's got to come down to.
around 11
Yeah,
ish,
yeah. I'd like it at least around the 89 on the small tick chart. That would be good. What is
which
that?
would put you
10,
right at
11?
yeah 10 or 11.
Yeah.
Same thing on the NQ. Get back down to most of the bottom of this around 15.
Yeah. You might be getting it right now.
Maybe. If again, it's got to be perfect. If it's perfect, I'll take it. If it's not perfect, then I'll pass, and we'll come back this afternoon.
I'll do it with like 5 micros or something.
I'm gonna
I'm
kill the
just not gonna.
stream
I'm
and turn
not.
it back on. I'm gonna kill this stream when I leave, just in case.
Yeah,
I'll turn it back
yeah.
on when I get back.
We might come back on. We might not. If not, we'll see you in the morning.
Anybody entertained this afternoon? If we make it back after 2, anybody want to entertain? Looking for a couple trades. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it back. If I do, it'll be like 2:15ish. If there's anybody that wants to do it, um, I'll try. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be back, but we'll see. You'll know because you'll get notified. I'm assuming that I turn on the live stream. You guys should have
Yeah.
Discord on your phones. I think it tells you when we go live on a message on the notifications.
I think there's a way to set up the notifications.
Well, I know it does because it
Here.
tells me when I go live.
Let's see here. Mark, invite, notification settings, all messages, mobile push messages.
Push messages. Yeah, I think that would be it.
Yeah.
It should let you guys know when the stream goes live. Talk about your levels here. Certain spot. What makes it strong level? Oh, good. Okay. Yeah. All right. I'll do it. Tom put a couple trainings in, so thank you. Anybody else that wants trainings, put them in the training request. I won't be able to hit it today, but maybe Wednesday if I'm set up and settled in Wednesday. I'm gonna be in another state with a freaking colder state than the one I'm in. Yuck. That's two meanings. I'll actually be in a colder state of being and a colder state in
You will
general.
definitely be in a colder state. That I promise you. Anywhere outside of there, there's going to be usually a colder state.
There's your GC drop.
Yeah.
Uh, Not a trade you could have gotten. Well, even on
Yeah.
the MG, like there's no. Look at this. Like, where's your entry? That's not something that I can trade right now. And this didn't set up right on the lower tick chart, smaller tick chart. You would have just had to just press the buy button as soon as it started hooking. I mean, that's the only thing you could have done. Like you'd had to just as soon as this started hooking up, and you'd still be in probably like right here at like 13.75.
Yeah, this is just, I can't trade this. I literally cannot trade this. Not even in micros. It's just not even, not worth it. Time is it? 1 o'clock? Yeah. Just yeah, I should have held that stupid micro. I'd be up 1, 2, about 20 points.
Yeah. All right. Thought we might try
Yeah,
doing
that would be
something.
cool.
That's
That
well,
would
that's
be cool.
originally the original idea, right? It's going to be the same
Mm-hmm.
thing. I mean, you think about it like this. Like, let's look at a trade that we wanted, like this trade here that we would have wanted this morning at 11ish. You know, a 3 point.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Yeah, like it would build its own little 3 point area, and once a certain number of trades happen, it would turn on like a region.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's like for every asset, there's like at least 3 of those a day. That's all I'd need. I mean, literally, that's all I would need. Put like an order flow. Oh man, remind me to do that when we talk about it. Put like an order flow in it, so it calculates the number of shorts versus longs, like tick strike.
Yeah, that would be a way to. Yeah,
And if you accumulate
actually, that's not a
more
half
buy
bad idea.
orders than sell orders, then you take the long.
Yeah, that would be a
Hey,
half bad
that's actually
idea.
a thought. Think about that.
Mm-hmm.
You get this rejecting here, and you just have something that tells you whether it's collecting the buys or shorts. Like a you'd use like a what a or like some kind of order flow, right?
It would have to be based off order flow. Yes.
Yeah. Well, and it's just it just calculates. It'd just be like it would just be like a red or a green, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
more cells are in, it's red. If more buys are in, it's green. That would be pretty sweet actually. And then you have it sitting on have a level there too. I think that's how we look at it when we talk
That's
about building an
that's a
indicator.
darn good place to start.
I don't think that's a bad. Yeah, that's a. All right, you've got me sold on that one. That's the way to do that one. I was trying to figure out how to do that. I think that's the easy way to do it. Okay, that's it for me.
I was going to say, I was
That's
waiting for
it.
you to say that
I'm
because
walking
I
out.
can't take much more of this crap.
Nope, I'm walking
Uh,
out. That's it. I gotta
all
go.
right. We may not be
Maybe
back.
2:15, 2:30. We'll see. I'll just have to
If
see how things
not,
go.
we'll see everybody tomorrow morning. Hope we get a better day tomorrow. It wasn't a bad day, but it
I
wasn't
mean, again, twelve
our
hundred bucks
typical
is not
day.
a bad day.
Yeah.
Not in my book. So
Did everybody at least do okay? I mean,
I mean,
get
I'm pretty
somewhat
sure most
green.
people did. I mean, stay safe. I hope at least didn't do anything crazy.
I
I mean,
know a
there were some
couple of the
trades.
calls were a little hard to follow, but
Yeah, I mean,
because they were real
look,
quick.
it was one of those
It was,
mornings. There's nothing we can do about that.
yeah.
Well, there, there's some. I'll give you a call in a minute on my way. All right, I'm closing this down. We'll if you guys are around, I'll start the stream back up. If I do, if I start it back up, you guys that stay in this channel, the live chat and the live stream, you'll hear the air horn. You'll get
Don't
the old
forget, you can go over to the member hangout if you guys want to hang out there. You got mic access in there.
yeah. If you go to member
You can talk
hangout,
about us while
guys,
we're gone.
while we're gone, go to the member hangout. Um, and then obviously, if we stream back up this afternoon, we'll let you guys know in the member hangout if it's turned back on. All right, that's it.
Later.
Peace up. A Town
Later,
down.
Gators.